Negative 5.412.
Negative 5 point what?
412.
And anybody get right hand? Lindsay, did you get it?
No, I did what?
Anybody get right?
Estimated area negative 5.25.
5.25 what? Exactly 5.2?
No, negative. This is estimated negative 5.2528.
So you guys got two estimates right there. First one. So what was that formula again? It was f of b minus f of a delta. Frozen, thank you. Delta t is less than or equal to the what? Error. So what's it saying the error needs to be?
Greater than.
So it says evaluate the following integrals so that the lower and upper estimates are within one decimal place of each other. So what decimal are you looking? What does one decimal place mean? Point what?
One decimal place
is 0.1. One decimal place means the error needs to be less than what? 0.1. So what are you saying here? You know that, therefore, on this one, f of b minus f of a times delta t has to be less than 0.1. What is f of x in this function? What is f of x in this statement? What's f of x? It's right there. What is it? 0.2 x cubed, right? What is a? 0. What's b? 3. So you have everything except delta t now, right? So what are you evaluating? You're doing 0.2 times what?
X or 0.
Nope, it's b. B first, David. So what is it? 3 cubed minus 0.2 times 0 cubed times delta t has to be less than 0.1. You could use your calculator to figure this out. So what is, it's going to be what? 0.2 times 27 times delta t has to be less than 0.1. So what does delta t have to be less than? 0.1 divided by what?
5.4.
Is it 5.4? Yeah. Is that what, 5.4? Yeah. So if you do that decimal out, delta t has to be less than what? What is that?
0.018518.
Like that, right? So delta t has to be less than that. Has to be less than that. B minus over delta t. Exactly. So in this case, what's it going to be? 3 minus 0 over that. What does that equal? What is in, remember, round at the end. So if you do this exactly, really plug this in right here, right? Plug that in right there. It's 1 over 54, right? 1/54th. So what is that? 3 divided by 162? Yeah. Is it 162?
Yeah.
0.0 what? If you rounded, it would be. You have to be careful to round, right? So it actually is exactly 162. It actually is exactly 162 if you do it. If you don't round or let this thing. So you need to break it up into at least 162, right? Now, is that a number of divisions you're going to want to do by hand? No. So what are you going to need to use? Use the program. Use that website right now. So what function? You have the function. You go from 0 to 3 and use 162. You could do left hand and right hand just to see how close they are. They should be within what? How close together should the two things be if you go left hand and right hand with 162 in this function? Exactly. So what is that number? 0.1. They should be within 0.1 of each other. So you would use your computer at this point, because I haven't given the calculator program to do this, to actually find what it is. Because it says evaluate, so find me the number. So we're not done yet. You have to use the computer to tell me what the integral is. So do that for each of these. Does that help, Fitch?
Yeah.
Cool.
My only problem is